Question 2.2.10. Water is flowing through a 2-inch diameter pipe with a velocity of 3 foot per second. A. What is the kinetic energy of the water in foot IB force per IB mass? As you know, kinetic energy will be calculated with this formula. So write down K equals to half of mass, but we don't have mass here. We say that we have a basis on IB mass water. 1 IB mass. V was velocity, if you remember. 3 foot per second, but it must square. As I told you in the previous question, never forget GC when you're using American engineering units. So multiply this 32.174 IB mass foot here IB force multiply square second. In this case, we can see that square seconds will be removed. IB mass will also be removed. One of these will also be omitted. So kinetic energy will be calculated as this: 0.14 foot IB force. This will be the answer of first part A. Let's go to part B. What is the flow rate in gallon per minute? You know that flow rate will be calculated with this formula: A multiply V, which A is the area of the pipe and V is a symbol for water velocity. Because in the question we have a pipe, so the area of the pipe will be calculated by this formula: P R power 2. And if you say that 2R equals 1 diameter, so we can say that R is half of diameter. And if we square this, so A will be P square V per 4. So Q will be calculated by this formula: P squared D per 4 multiply velocity of water. Let me remove this part to have a free page for writing the answer. So Q equals P D power 2 4 multiply V velocity. It will be like this: P 4 V is 2 inch. 2 inch. Power 2. Multiply V is 3. 3 foot per second. But the problem is here. We want this in the units of gallon per minute. Let's convert second minute. You know that 1 minute 60 second. So second will be removed and the minute created. But how about gallon? You know that we must have gallon in numerator, and if we use this, you will see that we must convert foot to inch. So in this case, we can use this part, or instead we can use this measure, this linear measure, and convert inch to foot, and we can use this. I want to use foot to inch. Foot to inch. We can say that 1 feet equals 12 inches. 12 inches. So the foot will be removed, and if we multiply this inch to this square of inch, we will have cubic of inches. And if we convert cubic of inches to gallon, the answer will be fine. 1 gallon, 1 gallon, 231 inches, 231 cubic inches. If you calculate this, the answer will be nearly 29.37 gallon per minute. And this will be your answer for part B.